basically anybody that you want to assign an activity to within routines, you need to, and you use a contact, that contact has to be linked to a user.
If you are wanting to assign the activity itself,
right,
to one of your users, it does need to be linked. Yes. Now you might have listing agent in your team, and they don't ever log into the software. Activities won't necessarily be assigned to them, but you'll be doing things. But you could have a listing agent or even a buyer's agent or something like that for a person that's in your database, and they may be in your company, but they don't have a login. Well, you don't have to link them, but that it will never assign that particular activity to them as a user because they don't have a user login. Does that make sense?
Okay. Yes, it does.